Whew. What's up YouTube? This is Dottie with Ignite Cinemas, and I haven't did one of these videos in a while, but I recently purchased the Aputure MX, and today we're gonna unbox and review this little bad boy. Let's get it! So yeah, it's been a while. I haven't really bought no new camera gear. The last thing that I got for Christmas was this Joby Gorilla Pod 3K version for my GH5 so I can vlog. But I recently got a gig, and I'm not gonna lie, the LED lights I have right now, they're big and bulky, and I wanted to try something more run and gun. So I purchased my first Aputure product. This is my first Aputure product. I'm pretty hyped. See what the hype is, cause everybody be hyping them up on YouTube. Here it is right here. Okay. Whole bunch of cool little stuff right here. Here is the case. Real compact to fit in my in-case backpack. Ah, it smells good in there. 3M adhesive I see, I guess to post up, get real sticky, icky. A diffuser, USB-C cable. I don't know what this is. Attachment, I'm assuming, to mount. And of course, the moment of truth. Wow, this right here. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. Now wow, here's a diffuser right here, and it's magnetic. It's pretty cool. It's got some good weight to it. You see the threshold right there, so I can attach to my light stand right there. Ooh. Now, this is cool. Wow, I'm amazed at how powerful this little bad boy is. So we have quite a few different things up top. You got the on and off button. We have dim. What sold me on this though is the fact that it has a warm and cold button. Let's see how that looks. So it's fully charged right now. It's a little warm. Or we can change the temperature to cold. Wow, that's cool. So this is fully cold, getting a little warm. Oh wow, this is really cool. Okay, so the verdict is in. I recently bought this like 2 weeks ago. You guys saw from the unboxing, and I have been testing it on set for the past 2 weeks. This MX light has become so clutch, especially in the testimonials I filmed for my clients. It's so small and compact, and I'm about to tell you what I like about it. One, I love the case that it came in. I really appreciate the durability of it. I also like the battery life. Now, I will say that the battery meter on this MX is kind of inaccurate, because I'd fully charge it and then like one dot would go like to the halfway mark within like 15 minutes. But the battery lasted well over 2 hours for me, and I probably still had another 2 more hours. I think they say it lasts like 4 hours if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. Put air quotes on that for me, please. So I did enjoy that as well. I also enjoyed the ease of use and how much easier it is to bring along with me. Because look, I'm actually using the light right now. It's acting as my fill light in my office. And it's so much better than carrying another bag around. This is why I need interns to carry my bags, camera stuff, but it's so much better than carrying these bulky ass LED lights. And granted, these LED lights, I think I paid like $300 for, you know, with the light stands. And for the price of the MX is $150, I'd rather buy 2 MXs, and that could act as my fill and key lights, to be honest with you. So I like that as well. Another thing I liked, and I realized what this piece was, I was about to throw it away, but I realized this acts as another form of diffusion on it, which is cool. I also enjoyed the fact that it came with this mount right here. Now, I do a lot of vlogging, so this is pretty cool if I want to attach it to like the horseshoe mount on top of my camera. However, I would have to sacrifice my mic. But I have tried it on my Ronin and it attached perfectly on top of there. All in all, like, I feel like is worth the $150. In fact, I'm even gonna order a second one because this light can act as a fill light, it can act as a hair light, and of course, it can act as a key light. I'm gonna show you a quick test right now. I've been overlaying some of my clients and how I've been using it, but I'm gonna show you how much of a difference it makes. So this is before, this is regular, this is in my office with the LED light bulbs up top on the center, on the ceiling, backlight, I forgot what that light in the background is called. It's called accent light. So this is that. Now watch what happens when I turn on the MX. It fills me out beautifully. It makes the image look better. And it's so damn handy. Like, that's why I loved it. It's so handy and compact. And it's really easy to use. So if you guys are on the fence about it, yes, it's $150, but it's well worth the purchase. Like, don't waste your money buying those big lights with the panels and stuff. All you need is this. And this is my first Aputure product, okay? My first Aputure product, you know, like, I wanted to see what the hype was about, and you know, they got a client for life so far. So I look forward to investing more in some Aputure lighting and creating better and more awesome videos. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Aputure MX, please smash that like button, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more unboxings, reviews, and Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials, subscribe to the channel, hit that red button right now so you never miss another video. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.